Hello kids, let's learn colors name. Brown color, yellow color, purple color, light green color, sky blue color, dark pink color, orange color, red color, sea green color, dark green color, light pink color, dark blue color, purple color. A for ant. Dark blue color. B for bat. Orange color. C for cloud. Yellow color. D for duck. Sea green color. E for elephant. Dark green color. F for fox. Dark pink color. G for gun. Dark green color. H for hat. Dark pink color. I for ink pot. Sea green color. J for jar. Purple color. K for king. Orange color. L for lemon. Yellow color. M for mango. Dark blue color. N for nest. Yellow color. O for ox. Dark blue color. P for peacock. Orange color. Q for queen. Sea green color. R for rat. Dark pink color. S for ship. Purple color. T for toy. Dark green color. U for uncle. Orange color. V for van. Yellow color. W for water. Dark pink color. X for X-ray. Dark blue color. Y for young. Dark green color. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye bye.